Very strong winds coming Saturday night, Environment Canada predicts. Environment Canada has issued a special weather statement for much of southern Ontario including Waterloo Region, Wellington County and the Mount Forest area, advising that winds of 60 km per hour with gusts up to 80 km per hour are expected to develop overnight into Sunday. At 10:49 a.m. Saturday, the National Weather Agency issued the statement to cover Guelph, Erin, southern Wellington County, Kitchener, Cambridge, Waterloo and the region of Waterloo, Mount Forest, Arthur, northern Wellington County. Significant winds of 60 km per hour and wind gusts up to 80 km per hour are expected to develop overnight tonight with the arrival of a cold front, Environment Canada said in the statement. It indicates the gusts could exceed 80 km per hour over some places, most likely north of eastern Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, as well as over higher terrain. Environment Canada advises that winds of this strength can toss loose objects and cause injury or damage. Gusty winds can also damage soft shelters, tents and awnings.